it's in the present tense, you will say kakain na tayo.
Kakain na tayo.
So if you're saying that, like, as in you're eating right now, so sorry, this is to eat, yeah? You will be eating, yeah? So this one is we are eating now, we are about to eat now. So you will say kumakain, yeah? So kumakain na kami or kumakain na tayo.
Kumakain na kami.
Kumakain na tayo.
And then if you're saying that we have eaten, so we have already eaten, so past tense, you say kumain. So kumain na po, if it's formal, sign of respect, kami. So kumain na po kami.
Kumain na po kami.
Everyone's got that?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're saying that let's eat, so informal you would say kain na tayo.
Kain na tayo.
Or if you're saying as in formal, kumain na po tayo.
Kumain na po tayo.
Okay. And if you're saying have you eaten, if you're asking someone or a group of people have you eaten, you would ask kumain na po kayo.
Kumain na po kayo.